Now, solar savings are better than cash at bank. Well, everyone has to have a capital works fund or a sinking fund. And at the moment, in this low interest rate environment, they're typically getting 0.55% or 0.65% per annum. Now, if a strata scheme has funds sitting in the capital works fund, just receiving this low interest rate, installing a solar system could be the equivalent of getting a 14% per annum interest rate if you convert the energy savings back into an interest rate. And so here's a little graph. You can see over the next couple of years, solar savings outpacing interest that you would be getting on those same funds if they were kept in the bank. The bean counter might look at a solar project this way and do a financial analysis. And here's a little case study. Just say you already collecting special levies for a lift upgrade destined to happen in 2023. Well, it would be possible to actually divert those special levies that are being collected into a bank account and just getting 0.55% per annum interest into a solar project. If you were to maybe do a solar project right now, you could be saving the building $1,000 off its common area energy bill every month between now and 2023 when that lift upgrade project is going to work. A bean counter can do that scenario that we see here, where instead of just collecting cash into the capital works fund, you might actually deploy the cash into a solar system that actually returns you $27,000 of energy savings by the time you want to do your lift upgrade. And then common area solar system might actually give us a half-star improvement in our neighbours for apartments buildings rating, which would then increase the value of each of 100 apartments by $30,000 in terms of their property valuation. The bean counter might be able to create a scenario where each individual owner spends $620 towards a solar system and gets a property valuation uplift of $30K on the value of their apartment, and the building doesn't have any delay to a scheduled lift upgrade that's going to happen in a couple of years' time. That's just an example of what a bean counter that might be on the committee can help you with.